Alrighty, so today we are going to learn how to generate merchant cash advance leads by using a list builder to take age leads, business leads, sole proprietor leads, you name it. And how do you generate MCA opt-in leads from this? So to get started, you can build your list of business leads by navigating over to business. And if you see here, I have 55,000-ish leads I can download. There's 3 million leads in this separate database right here. So I specialize in merchant cash advances for restaurants. Now, you'll notice there is not a industry option, but there is this code which represents all the different industries in the United States. So I'm going to go filter. This is for restaurants. Why do I want restaurants? Restaurants have employees. They have salaries. They have a track record, cash receipts, all the different reasons why a merchant cash advance funder would want to work with that business. So I go off here. I search. I just found that I have 82,000 businesses in the United States that is within this industry and that have a cell phone. Obviously, you can't see it here because YouTube wouldn't like that info. But when you actually buy the list, so for instance, I'm going to click Save List. I'm going to name it as Merchant Cash Advance Leads for January. And I'm going to take 200 of them. And now it gets saved in this nice little list right here. And I can go email them to myself. And it would appear in my inbox to download as a zip file and then to upload to my CRM. Maybe it's Go High Level, HubSpot, your Mojo Dialer, or Vici. Everyone of all sizes has found a reason to use this. And you have two options. You can subscribe to credits or you can buy a list outright. We have pricing right now that you can get 2,000 business leads every single day for $2.99 a month. So that's every single day you can download 2,000 new custom leads. You might not need all of them, but you might have someone that hits you up, says, hey, do you know where I can get leads? You're the guy now. You now have the ability to sell these for an additional profit and subsidize some of the income, your sales that you're already doing. So this is a little wrap up of how you generate MCA leads within the restaurant space. Talk soon.